Okay, here's the finished result. There's still a little bit of stuff in there that I could take out. There's a little bit in there, but man, these things look like brand new compared to what they were. They were really hazed over. You can see another video where I was working on where I started, and I didn't spend a lot of time, just a few minutes. And I mean, these things were really clouded over top of the top half of the lens. And so I used the Maguiars 105 and just a polishing wheel, and came out really clean, man. Not bad for just a few minutes time. So you can see a little bit of stuff at an angle, maybe. It's kind of hard to see it. There's a little bit of stuff right there, and I haven't really gone in great length. I might wet sand it or something, possibly. But I mean, it looks pretty good. I don't really care too much about it now, but it really cleaned up pretty good. So, Maguiars 105 and a buffer.